So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the deep fried graphics on the games on whatever game that you play on your system. Now there's a universal global settings of NVIDIA control panel that you can access. Now in order to do it, right click on the home screen, click on show more option, then click on NVIDIA control panel. Inside here, you need to adjust some settings that will apply to all the games that you play on your system. Now, all we're gonna do, we're gonna turn off the sharpening if it is unable from here that's causing the issue. Click on this option of manage 3D settings, then click on global settings. Inside here, make sure that the image sharpening is turned off. In your case, it might be turned on. That's why it's showing some deep fried graphics on your screen while you play the games. Now, just simply turn the sharpening off, and you'll realize your problem will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.